If you're considering MRI software for property management, there are 12 things you need to know before you make that decision. We'll break down the pros and cons, comparing MRI to other competitors, and by the end, you'll have a clear idea if it's the right choice for your business. Stick around till the end, because we'll also show you a better alternative to MRI software. First, MRI software is one of the leading solutions for property management, known for its extensive features. However, it's not the only option on the market. Compared to competitors like Yardi or Buildium, MRI offers more customizability, but with that comes complexity. It's not as user-friendly for beginners, so expect a steeper learning curve. Next thing to consider is the pricing structure. MRI software offers a flexible pricing model, which is great for businesses of different sizes. But this flexibility means it can get a bit pricey as you scale. This pricing is typically higher than platforms like Appfolio, so make sure to assess whether the extra features are worth the investment for your business. The third thing you should know is the integrations. MRI integrates well with a wide range of third-party tools, but depending on your needs, the integration process can be complex and might require custom development. For businesses that rely heavily on specialized software, this could be a pro, but it's worth noting that some other platforms, like Rentec Direct, offer simpler integration processes. The fourth thing you'll want to know is about mobile functionality. MRI has a mobile app, but it's not as intuitive as competitors like Buildium. If you're someone who relies heavily on mobile functionality, it may be worth considering other options that prioritize mobile use, like Appfolio. Fifth, MRI software provides strong reporting capabilities. If you need detailed and customized reports, MRI excels in this area. It's more advanced than many alternatives, offering deep insights into your operations. However, for basic users, this may be overkill, and simpler platforms might be a better fit. Next thing to consider is customer support. MRI's customer support is generally responsive, but can be slow during peak times. If you value quick resolutions, some competitors like Buildium have a reputation for faster response times and more helpful support. The seventh thing is the user interface. MRI's interface is functional, but it's not the most modern or visually appealing compared to newer property management tools. For some, this might not matter, but for others who appreciate clean, modern interfaces, platforms like Rentec Direct might be more appealing. Next, let's talk about the scalability. MRI software is highly scalable, making it a solid choice for growing businesses or large operations. It offers a wide range of features for managing multifamily properties, commercial real estate, and more. If you're looking for an option that grows with your business, MRI is a strong contender. The ninth thing is customization. MRI shines here. It allows for a high level of customization across its features and user interface. While this is an advantage for businesses with specific needs, it can also be a downside. It requires time to set up, and if you're looking for a quick solution, something more out of the box, like Yardi, might be more suitable. Next, let's discuss the training and onboarding process. MRI offers training, but it can be time-consuming. If you're looking for a platform that's quick to learn, you might prefer a competitor with more straightforward onboarding, like Appfolio. The 11th thing you should know is the cloud functionality. MRI software is cloud-based, which means you can access your data from anywhere. However, its cloud offering isn't as seamless or fast as some competitors, which might be a deal breaker for businesses that need speed and efficiency. And lastly, consider the reputation. MRI software is trusted by large companies and has a solid reputation, but it's not as widely used by smaller businesses. If you run a smaller operation, a platform like Buildium may offer you more direct support and a stronger community of users. In conclusion, MRI software is a solid choice if you're looking for customizability and scalability, especially for larger operations. But if you want an easier, more affordable, and user-friendly alternative, we recommend checking out our solution, which you can try for free